Hi guys, I just wanted to share with you my new unboxing video. I haven't done one since the JH print. Very excited about this. So I've got some new pants. I'm on my phone rather than in the studio, so if you'll excuse the phone cam footage. But new pants, very excited. Let's go to the front cam and see what they're about. So here's the pants concerned. Got 3 packs from Bamboo Clothing. There's a nice cardboard. See, some of them come in slightly different. This one's already opened because I've handled it, but that's okay. These are men's boxes. I don't know what makes them men's, but as a man myself, I'm comfortable with that. Let's get to opening them. Yeah, there you go. Some pants. Let's see this one's sealed slightly better. Yeah, that's another pair of the same colour. You can't feel the material, but nice. Let's see what's in this third one. It says pants to explore in. Well, I will be exploring in these pants. I'm going to do this one-handed. Oh, these are a different colour. So that's my pants. That's my new pants. So thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know about any pants that you've bought recently in the comments. Cheers, guys.